Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix a problem with your Apple TV flickering or shimmering on the screen. Now there are a few things that can cause this to happen. So the first thing that you want to check is the HDMI cable. Now on my Apple TV device here, make sure this HDMI cable or the plug is fully plugged in. If it's a bit loose, then sometimes that can cause a problem. So you want to make sure it is plugged all the way in on your Apple TV device as well as on the TV. So check the HDMI port on the TV. It is secure and fully plugged in. This one here as well. Make sure it is fully plugged in. Now after checking the cables, if your Apple TV is still flickering, you may want to consider swapping it with another cables. So perhaps maybe this cable is faulty. You want to try a different HDMI cable. If you got one available, try it and see if that fixes the problem. Now another thing you can try is to unplug the HDMI cable and try to plug it into a different HDMI port. If your TV has several HDMI ports, try HDMI port number 2 or number 3 and see if that can fix the problem. Now if you have tried around with playing with the cables and you still have no success, then another thing that you can try is to restart your box, your Apple TV box. So I'm going to go into settings. In settings you want to go to general and then go down to restart. So I press on the wrong one. I'll go back and go down to press on restart and allow your TV to restart. Now once your Apple TV rebooted, just wait for a minute or two to see if that can fix the problem. And if that still does not fix the problem, then perhaps the last thing that you can try to do is to reset the device. So go into settings and go into general and we go down and choose reset, and we're going to reset all settings, or you can simply restore. So this is just resetting the settings on the TV, or you can click on restore button to restore the Apple TV back to the factory default. If you're sure, just press on the restore button and that will basically reset your Apple TV box, and hopefully that will fix a problem with your Apple TV flickering or shimmering on the TV screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.